Repairing dog-related problems. These tips will help. Some things about dogs are easy. They scratch their bowl when hungry. When your dog feels the need to relieve himself, he might scratch your back door. He may glance at you longingly when he yearns to be loved. But, your dog is unable to tell you what he needs or wants, so keep watching to find out what it is that your dog really needs. If your young dog is teething and gnawing at everything, buy him a fun chew toy and keep it in the fridge. Not only does this provide him with a good alternative to your furniture, but the cold will help to make his gums feel better. Most younger dogs gnaw out of necessity, not poor manners. If you notice your dog gets dry skin in the winter, you probably need to brush him or her more often. Doing so will get rid of old fur and help get their oil glands working properly. Try brushing once in the morning and once in the evening to see if it makes a difference for your pet. When preparing to groom your pet, start the session off on the right foot by helping your dog relax. Spend a few minutes simply petting him, starting with the head and then rubbing the back, paws, belly and even tail. Once you feel your dog is happy and content, begin grooming him. Never force a dog to do something. If your dog is not interested in a treat, do not force your pet to eat it. Keep an eye on your dog's likes and dislikes. You may be able to tell what your pet needs just by studying their body language. Therefore, it is crucial for you to implement body language when communicating. Your dog is going to be grateful for that. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.